That's a really, really good question. So let me explain like a little bit of how I got to this point, having done DevTools for forever. But a quick note on Gatsby, like um, now that I'm doing something else, people are always asking like, "Oh, how do you feel about Gatsby? Like, you got acquired by Netlify. You must feel really good. Like, it's a great thing." And from a founder or like a business standpoint, getting acquired is obviously amazing. But if you're looking at like the industry, like Gatsby lost, if you think about it, as much as a meta framework, we paved the way. History remembers people who won, and this is the after effects. People still remember Gatsby, but new developers that I meet have no idea. So history always goes to the people who win, right? Now, Next.js, as we know, from our perspective in this Gatsby war that we were in, Next.js beat us, fair and square. And it was really interesting to learn. I learned a couple things from that. So when I left Netlify, I was like, I hate dev tools. Developers don't want to buy anything. I want to work on consumer applications. Dev tools, those ungrateful devs. I'm never putting my talent there again. Um, I was just kind of butthurt, I guess. But the but so I started building the coolest thing ever, which is a CRM. So I didn't go any it didn't go any much better for us. So me and a couple old Gatsby like colleagues, we got together and we were trying to build a CRM to beat Salesforce. Which I still think is a great idea because Salesforce is just old, but we wanted to build this CRM that could self-drive itself. So it'd be an AI-powered CRM. At the time, had no idea how to do anything with AI. So we built a CRM instead of the AI CRM, which you would think like people should build the CRM second. It's a solved problem. But we were just like, we don't know anything about AI, so we should probably just build the CRM first while we like bide ourselves some time. When we went to go and raise money for the CRM, we got rejected like pretty much every rejection under the sun, right? And Silicon Valley, when people reject you, they're like super nice. They're like, "Oh, we're just not there yet," or like, "Oh, you guys, you just need to keep working on it, and maybe we can keep chatting about it." So we got rejected. Every VC rejected us. So then we started building the AI features. We noticed like this is not the same experience as using a meta framework in React, right? Where you may not know React, but if you use this framework, like you can still get the job done and you kind of learn along the way, right? That was like the benefit of these frameworks. AI doesn't have a framework like that. AI just it leaves you to your own devices. So we started looking at that. We started having to put a lot of these like complex AI pieces of the puzzle together. And then that's realized like, well, I guess we're doing DevTools again because this ecosystem is really bad, and I think there's an opportunity here. So we pivoted the whole company to building AI DevTools, which is super ironic, but that's where we are.